A lot of people think that if they get denied for Social Security disability, that's it, game over. But here's the truth. For most people, a denial is just the first step in the process. In fact, the majority of people who eventually get approved for benefits don't win right away. They win on appeal. So, how many times can you actually appeal? The answer is up to 4 times. Let me walk you through each stage and give you an idea of your chances. First comes reconsideration. This is where a different examiner takes a fresh look at your case. Honestly, the odds here aren't great. Maybe only about 10 to 15% of people win at this stage. But if you've got new medical records, updated treatment notes, or a stronger statement from your doctor, that can definitely help. If you're denied again, the next step is a hearing before an administrative law judge. And this is where most people finally have a real shot. Almost half of claimants are approved at this level. Why? Because for the first time, you get to actually tell your story, how your condition impacts your daily life, what your doctors say about your limitations, and why you can't work full-time. Preparing strong evidence and being honest with the judge can make a huge difference. Now, if the judge still denies your claim, you can take it to the appeals council. Their job isn't really to re-argue your case, but to check if the judge made mistakes. Sometimes they'll agree and send it back for another hearing, but approvals here are rare unless you can point to clear legal errors. And finally, if that doesn't work, you can even go to federal court. At that stage, you're basically suing the Social Security Administration. It's not about proving your disability all over again. It's about showing the court that SSA didn't follow the law. So bottom line, you can appeal up to 4 times, and while the first step doesn't have the best odds, persistence really does pay off. Most people who eventually win benefits do it because they kept fighting through the process. If your SSDI claim has been denied, don't give up. Call us at Disability Advocates Group. Our number is 800-788-2095 for a free consultation. Or use the free SSDI screener on our website and see if you qualify today.